Alright, so you have kitchen here.
The garage is right here too.
Let's see.
I'm gonna go flip on some lights upstairs.
Okay, thank you. That's me. Closet. This neighborhood has no soul. It's one of those like empty plot of lands that they just start building a bunch of houses that look identical on. And then garage. Washer and dryer hookup.
You said speaker noise. Do you like to play your music loud or for work?
I have a set of speakers, but you can't play them loud in an apartment.
That's true.
So I have to behave while I'm. That's also me. How recent is this development? I'm kind of curious if I'd be the only person living here. That'd be kind of cool.
Just says under construction. You know, I don't know. I mean, you can see there are cars, you know, in the driveways over here.
Oh, that spoils it. I thought I did.
You want to be the very, very first one?
The only. I don't know. The idea of having a block to myself is kind of cool. I'm just going to walk around the outside for a second.
Yeah. I'm going to flip off the lights, but...
Thank you. Let's see. Okay. This is a really interesting little neighborhood here. You probably can't hear me at all because of wind noise. I still can't find a damn place to buy that shotgun microphone locally. I don't know what it is about these little villages. They have no soul. Every house is gray floor, same layout, same outside. No stores, no people. There's something about it that feels weird. I guess that's the New Yorker in me. I don't know, maybe I grew up in a suburb in Staten Island, but it didn't have this cookie cutter feel to it. If you know what I'm saying. Strange. I don't know, there's something about this that feels weird. That's on me. I checked this place out just because it was cheaper than the other ones and it had a good amount of space. You know, so some of the people coming would be able to stay and stay there. They have a lot of parking, a lot of garage space, a lot of bedrooms. So if they wanted a rent-free place to stay for a while, they got it. Not feeling this though. Keep it moving.